Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix the Instagram follow limit. For example, if you try to follow someone on Instagram and after that you see error of follow limit on your Instagram account, which means Instagram is saying that you have reached your follow limit. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So what is the follow limit of the Instagram app? So as you search on Google, so it will tell you the help reduce spam. Instagram doesn't allow anyone to follow more than 7,500 people. Anyone who tries to follow more than 7,500 people will see an error message regardless of how many followers they have. Which means if you try to follow more than 7,500 people on Instagram in a day, then you will find the follow limit error. So here you can solve the error. If you do not have the limit, which means you have not followed more than 7,500 people and you still see the follow limit error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So here you have simply open the Instagram app. But before, you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. For this, what you have to do, you have to simply search Instagram on App Store or Play Store. You have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the Instagram app. And after that, you have to simply open the Instagram app. And this time, what you have to do, you have to simply click on Profile. And here you have simply click on 3 lines, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of help. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of report a problem. So here we have to wait for some time. So after that you will find option of report a problem. So you have to simply click on that, and here you have to simply click on report a problem without shaking, and here you have to simply click on include and continue, because it will include all kind of problems which you are facing in your Instagram app. And here you have to simply explain the problem to Instagram team, that what is the problem you are having, which means you have not crossed the limit, and even it is showing the limit or error. So you have to simply explain the problem to Instagram team so that they can help you in a better way. So hope